at you. Were you just staring at me? Well, you're nice to stare at, too. You can't sleep? I'm too worried about tomorrow. You don't want to talk about it? Okay. Come here, little worrywart. Snuggle in close. Let me have some of your body heat. Here you go, little spoon. Get comfy. Pull yourself in tight. Yeah, there's the spot. How about you turn that clever little brain of yours off for just a few hours? You know, whatever you have to do, you will be amazing at it. Because you are extremely talented and very, very charming. But if you don't get some sleep, you're going to be a zombie, sweetie. Come here. Just let me rub your tummy. Just focus on the movement of my hand. Slow, soft circles. Think about how the ridges of my fingertips feel on your soft skin. Feel the gentle friction just slowly warming you up. Concentrate on the rhythm. Let it be the only thing that you feel. Now imagine that my hand is a magnet and is sucking up all that tension and stress inside of you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now when I take it off, poof, it's all gone. Dissipated into nothing. You feel a little bit better? A little? Okay. Mwah. 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 You know I can't help it. The back of your neck is very kissable. It's warm and soft and adorable and perfect. Everything about you is perfect. Sometimes I feel like I built you from scratch. My perfect girl. You're so beautiful in every way. You are rare and precious. And I'm sorry that makes me so protective sometimes. Because the last thing I want to do is put you in a box. Because you are radiant and warm. You glow. And the whole world should see that. But at least right now I get to borrow you. Just for a little bit. You're mine. Have you all to myself. You know, I wish there was a way that I could show you just how much I love you. Because I really, really do. What do I love about you? Let's see. I love the way you mumble to yourself in your sleep. I love the way your nose scrunches up when you get frustrated. I like the way you hop up on the bathroom sink so you can get a closer look at yourself in the mirror. I love the little wiggle dance you do when you're really enjoying your food. I love everything about you, sweetie. I love you so much that I feel like I can't even express it with words. I wish there was some way I could take all these beautiful feelings inside of me and just wrap you up in them like a blanket And I don't know, it's weird. But for the first time in my life, I finally feel like I have a home. You are my home. You make me the best version of me that I can be. The person that I should have been all along. When I look in your eyes and see that you're proud of me for something that I did, when I felt like I really earned your admiration, it's the warmest, most wonderful feeling in the world. It's a thrill. It's an actual thrill. Was that a yawn? You finally getting sleepy? Good. All my lovey-dovey talk finally bored you enough to get some rest. I know. I love you too. Good night, sweetie.